Okay, we are officially on the grounds of Auschwitz, where the biggest genocide in human history took place. 1.1 million people. 1.1. This death camp only operated for a few years. A few years. 1.1 million. Over 100,000 gypsies and Catholics. There are many delegations that are here for the annual March of the Living. Hundreds of thousands of people. Say hello. This is this amazing group that we are with here, that are here to never forget the past, when so many in the world seems to have forgotten or hasn't believed that it's truth. Here is my amazing group. Anya, looking